Hi, to force restart your Honor Magic 7 Lite. As a first step, let me show you how to restart the phone with the help of usual way. For that, you need to hold just power button itself, and in a couple of seconds, you should see this power off menu from which you need to choose restart. But if your phone is lagging or simply does not react to your touches, then I can suggest you to hold power and volume down buttons for about 10 seconds. And also ignore this screenshot. Just continue holding the buttons and then you'll feel slight vibration. Your screen will turn off. You'll see Honor logo and now you can release the buttons and wait because just in a few moments your phone will turn on itself and that is how you can soft reset it. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.